Cable and Wire Fair 2021 rescheduled to March 2022. Cable and Wire Fair has been postponed from its initial date of October 2021 to 1st to 3rd March 2022 to make it more convenient for all the stakeholders and also ensure that the event is staged at a time when industry is upbeat. Polycab forays into passive networking solutions for Indian market. Polycab's telecom business unit has launched the whole range of end-to-end passive networking for organizations, both public and private, in India. Sterlite Technologies secures $100 million deals in Middle East and Africa. Sterlite Technologies has announced major new deals and extensions to current engagement with leading telcos in the Middle East and Africa region. The deals worth more than $100 million take STL's order book to a record high of Rs 11,300 crore and exhibit the company's unwavering focus on building future-ready digital networks in the region. India looking at $500 billion investment in renewable energy by 2030. The huge investment of around $500 billion in renewable energy generation is anticipated to bring in newer opportunities and drive the demand for wires and cables. BMark India files for INR 30 crore SME IPO to get listed on NSE Emerge. The Haridwar-based wires and cables manufacturer has filed its document with the regulator for an IPO of up to 68,40,000 equity shares of face value of INR 10 per equity share. As per market sources, the company plans to raise about INR 25 to 30 crores.